Right, hey guys, back to you with another video. This time I'm going to show you what I've been doing with the batteries and my plan with them. Sorry about that, that's the multimeter. So in the last video I spoke about converting these two 5S batteries into a single 10S battery. So essentially we're just going to put them into series, but I want to balance them as well. So I'm going to quickly show you essentially how to do that. But I'm not gonna do it in this video. That will be the next one when I get the BMS. But I'm just gonna show you the basic concept. It's quite easy actually. So first of all, you're gonna want to get yourself a 10S lead, balance lead. I think that's kind of obvious. And I'm gonna show you how to do this now. You're gonna need a connection somewhat like this. So this is single XT60. Or for me, in my case, and you're going to take it to these two other XTs. It doesn't matter really what size, just according to the rating of your batteries. And this is seriesed, so we've got positive to negative, kind of a given. And just connect this to your battery, to both of them. So we don't have to modify the actual battery itself. We're going to change the balance leads, but you don't actually have to go and rip them apart and whatnot. So let's do this. Let's turn on the multimeter. I'll show you what I mean now. So if you look at here, you see you're going to have your positive, camera. You're going to have your positive lead here. Yes, positive lead. The rest are all negative. Each one of them will be a negative lead. And they'll each go to the cell where they bridge to the next cell. So if you understand how batteries are wired, you should pretty much already understand what that means. That means that these two connections here, which are wiring to the next battery, bridge this positive terminal, your read for each cell, to the last cell's balance lead negative. So you're going to wire those two together, and I'll show you why in a minute. But basically, this guy over here, last terminal on this first battery, goes to the positive terminal on the second battery, and I'll show you why now with the multimeter. So let's just put these over here. It's going to be a bit awkward. I am doing this in my room, so let's see. Make sure it's set to DC. And let's just grab here. So what you're going to see, because we're going in series, it's going to climb. That's how these batteries are wired. So each cell is 4 volts when fully charged, 4.2 volts. So can you see the multimeter? So we're going to get 4 volts there, or 3.9. This battery is a little bit used. Then we should get about 8 or 7, that's good too. We're getting 11, 15, we should see 16 there, 20, so 19.81. And then if we look now, the first positive lead should be the same as this. So see here, 19.81. If we check on our first positive lead, 19.81. What that means is they are connected. They are the same terminal. So what you can do is you can either remove one completely, and then you just saw all your balance leads accordingly, starting from the first positive all the way through, because you've removed the one positive, or you can connect the two and treat them both as the same negative terminal for your fifth cell, because that's exactly what's happening here. See? Now if we carry on, the sixth cell, seventh, 8th, 9th, and of course there's your 10th, 40, that's the total voltage of the battery, and you can confirm that over here. There you go. So that's all you have to do really, guys. I'm not going to do that in this video until I get the balance leads and the BMS. But all you have to do is bridge those two together. You can, if you really wanted to, if you're in a pinch, I guess you could technically just saw this off or cut off this first terminal and you could just slam these into your BMS just like that. Pretty much that's all it is. But yeah, I'm going to cut all of these off, rewire them individually, one by one, into the New Balance lead when I get the BMS. I'm getting a 10S BMS with Bluetooth, so stay tuned for that. If you guys found this video helpful or you liked it, consider subscribing, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.